Hi guys, so my ceiling was repaired and I have made photos also. I have made videos from that. I only forgot to make an introduction video, so I'm doing it now. So I'm here in Germany. So um after I think 6 months now. After 6 months, I have made an introduction video, so do not wonder, okay? So, that's all.
Mashenka, Masha. Tara. Iyak. Hindi, lalagay ko to sa sa YouTube. Kasi memory din yan na
So messy, guys, right? Or look.
para lang ba may memory kung ano to, di ba? Ano, how it looks like. Kung nire-repair pa.
Wala yung dumaan ng Facebook ko. This is what I expected. This is my hard work. This is my hard work. My hard work. I'm the mechanics of you. Contact me. Ang ganda yun ah.
Ang ganda ng tiles, no?
Ang ganda. Saan natin nabili? Sa pinta natin malapit.
Okay.
So this is the after. Before, this is not
O, sige na, ikot ka na daw. Huwag mo na explain. Harapan ka lang eh.
so ito hindi pa to done. Ay, English ba?
Sige, okay lang yun.
And hindi pa siya matatapos. I think more days pa siya.
More days tomorrow? More
Ay,
days.
tomorrow. And this is the, ano na siya, dito tapos na siya, and doon, hindi pa. So, bukas na siya matatapos. And siguro mga ilang days, papatuloy pa yan. And, okay na. Maayos na to. Hindi ko na. Tapos,
So guys, the house now is finished. Not the complete. It's only the living room. So as you can see, we are very busy cleaning. After 3 weeks.
cleaning.
Ano?